This is the second part of page number 43, and we are going through the explanation of it. So, gel, the jim is attached with lam, and then the second lam has standing fatha, which is just like a big alif, big alif. Gel, la. This la is just like this. La. It is written in a short form, but it has to be pronounced like this. Jalla ha. This is 2 counts long, and this is 2 counts long too. Jalla ha. How will you stop? So whenever you see mud letter at the end, you will not do anything. You will stop as it is. Jalla ha. Swad is heavy letter, so write capital H. Then swad is attached with dal. Swad da is short. O is heavy. Swaddaqa. How will you stop? So you will give waqf at the end. Qutubujatin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of qalqala. So when you are giving waqf, you will give sifa of qalqala. Use saddaqa. Saddaqa. How will you start? Saddaqa. Qad. Qaf is attached with dal, and then dal has fatha. Qadda. Qadda. Ra. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra has fatha or dhamma, it will be heavy. Qaddara. When you will stop, you will give sukoon at the end. And this ra will stay heavy. Why? Because ra with sukoon, if you find any ra with sukoon, you will check the letter before it. If it has fatha or dhamma, you will make ra heavy. So you are making ra heavy here because dal is with sukoon. Qaddar. And ra will get sifa of tawassut when you are giving waqf at the end. Thuwiba, wow, and ya with tasdeed will get sifa of never, always. So never is raise of your voice and sound and volume. Thu, thu. When you are attaching the letter before it to the wow, that is the point where you are applying never. Thu. And then we for kasra give very simple and short sound, and you and make sure you pronounce wow with your circled lips. Don't use your teeth, but just circle your lips and wow will be pronounced. So we ba is short. So we ba at the, when you are giving birth, you will give sukoon at the end. Kutubujaddin are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, and ba is one of them. So it will get sifa of qalqala. Thuwiba. And how will you stop? Thuwiba. Tabbat. That will get sifa of hams because that is with sukoon. فحسوا شخص are the letters. فحسوا شخص سكت are the letters. Whenever these are with sukoon, we'll get sifa of hams, and hams is the flow of breath. تبت. حقت. Again, sifa of hams, and this is flow of breath. حقت. That is short. قبل. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. The qab and qaf is heavy. قبل. تقبل. Here, very soft letter. There shouldn't be any UY sound. It's very different from Urdu and very different from English. It is ya of Arabi, not any other. It has a unique sound. It's very soft. You are lifting middle of your tongue towards your palate. This is the articulation point of ya. Ya, mud. For dhamma, circle your lips and attach with dal. And dal, the dal has dhamma too, so circle your lips for it too. Ya mud too. So you remember mud. Discussing this mud. Ya muddu. Okay. muddu. So the first dal is attached with me page dal mud. So when you will pronounce this part, you will circle your lips for meme, but you will keep your lips very straight when you will land on dal, because dal is with sukoon. If you'll keep your lips on a dhamma state on dal too, then it will give you give others the idea that dal has dhamma too. No, dal doesn't have dhamma. So your lips should be in a very straight position. Mud, and then do, and then there is do. So when you will pronounce this dal, the middle dal, it should be your lips should be in a very natural position. Muddu, yeah, muddu. And then when you will give birth, you will give sukoon at the end, and this dal will get sifa qalqala when you are going to give birth. Yeah, mudd. First dal will be hold, and the second dal will get sifa qalqala. Yeah, mudd. You, yeah, it's a very sharp, soft sound for dhamma. Circle your lips. You, bay, for ba attached with ya, and it will get safa of nabar, because when wow and ya are with sukoon, will get safa of nabar. You bay, and then kasra yi nu. You bay nu for dhamma. Circle your lips. And how will you give sukoon? You will give how will you give waqf at the end? You will give sukoon on noon, and noon will get sifa of tawassut. You bayyin, you bayyin mu for dhamma. Circle lips. For sad is heavy, and Salli, li, two counts long, na, musallina. And how will you stop? You will give temporary sukoon at the end, and you found two counts long vowel before it. So these are the conditions which are calling what mad arid lisakun. So you will convert this two counts long into four counts long now. Musalli. Yakh, for dhamma, for fatha, open your jaws and attach with kha. Kha will get sifa of rakhawa, and it will be heavy. Yakh, tas, ta will be light, sa will be heavy. Yakh, tasu, and you are stopping at the letter which is mushaddad, like which is with a shadda. So you will give nabar when you will stop at the end. So يختص, يختص, and Saad will have Rakhawatu. Subhanallah, so many things are going on, and I love it. I really love it. Inshallah, you will love when you will be enjoying this recitation. يختص, mutta, for Dhamma, circle your lips, attach with ta, for and with fatha, open your jaws. Muttaqi, qi will be heavy and two counts long. Na is short. Now, how will you give waqf? You will give temporary sukun at the end, and you found two counts long vowel. You will change it to four counts, and that is called mad arid lis sakun. Muttaqi. Utti ain from your throat, and then for dhamma, circle your lips, attach with ta. Utti, ti is heavy, and give kasra and give e sound. Utti, let's, and that will get sifa of hams. Utti, let's. And how will you stop? It will stay the same. Utti, let's. No. For dhamma, circle your lips. Qad, qaf is heavy, attached with dal. Qaddi, su, for seen. For dhamma, circle your lips. Nuqaddisu. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end. Nuqaddis. Seen will get safir. It is light, and it will get rukhawa. You, For Dhamma, circle your lips, and ya should be pronounced very softly. You kaf is light letter and attached with dal. Dal will get sifa of rakhawa. The sound should flow. Kaddi, you kaddibu. For Dhamma, circle your lips. You kaddibu. How will you stop? You will give sukoon and it will get sifa of qalqala. You kaddibe. So when you're stopping at the end, don't drop rakhawa. Rakhawa should be there. You kaddibe. Two for dhamma, circle your lips. Ha attach with ha. Attach ha with dal. To haddi and give kasra, light, very light kasra to dal. To haddi su for ta, circle your lips. To haddi su. And how will you stop? You will give sukoon at the end and sa will get sifa of rakhawa. To hadith. This n is related to this part, subhanallah. It is written here, but it's wrong here. To hadith. Ta is short. Kha is heavy. Khal. As soon as you will touch lam, your sound should be light. The khallat. And ta will get sifa of hams. The khallat. It will stay the same when you will stop. Dal will get sifa of rakhawa. The sound should flow very well. Kadhabat. Hams at the end of ta. How will you stop? It will stay the same. كذبت. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.